Just wanted to do this quick video to show the newest feature in the World Builder. So one of the things we've always been able to do for a while now is to pick an object and then paint that object. So in this case I'm going to pick some trees and I'm just going to randomly space them across my little island that I've created here. And I'm going to randomly change the scale factor as well, just so I can get a little bit of difference through this. Okay, so now with paint mode turned on, all I do is go above my island, set my default starting size, which is that looks good, and then just paint my trees. A couple have gone in the water there. This one here has gone on top of another one, it shouldn't have done, so I'll just get rid of the outlying ones. Now one of the first things I've done is I've changed the selection icon. So here you can see in the past, when you selected an item, it turned opaque blue and you couldn't really see what was happening with the texture and everything on it, so that's now gone and it's now replaced with this wireframe selection grid that allows you to control the objects instead. And we've also given the ability to just press escape to quickly come out of that, so very quickly we can create a little forest. Now we've created these objects, but the problem then came with texturing them, and the process always used to be you had to go into placement mode, select the item you wanted, go and click on its texture, find the texture you wanted to give it, come back out of there, and then you'd have your object textured. So I've changed this now and made it a little bit easier, because now down the bottom we've got a quick texture bar. Now this is very early work in progress look, but this will display all the textures that we've loaded in. So previously I loaded in 4 different textures for this tree, really just colour variants. But now what I can do is very quickly and easily go into here, and then I can just grab the texture I want and drag it onto the object I want to place it on. Quickly and easily I can then very effectively and efficiently texture the objects that I've just painted, and create some nice variety using those different colours that I'd stored up. And that will work with any object in the game and any texture in the game. You just grab it and you can go over the same one again if you want to change it around. It literally is just a quick way of drag and dropping a texture over the existing landscape, what was there, of the object, sorry. And that's done. So as I say, this will work on absolutely anything, so I could go in here for example, and I could find from my little texture folder a different wood one. So let's say I wanted to go in there and find a nice wood texture. That's a nice tree texture, so let's just load that bark texture in. I could then go back and if I so chose use that texture and place it on a tree. Now obviously this tree is looking for the texture to be in a specific way because of its UV mapping, so that didn't work, but you get the idea of how that process works. So I could, for example, go in and create a different type of object, and stick on paint mode here again and just paint some of these cubes. So once that's done, now I've got my little random cubes, what I could then do is very quickly and easily go in, just load up some textures. I'll use that one and I'll use that one. Okay, so load them in, go back into texture object mode, and then I can just drop these textures onto the different items. Now it needs a little bit of improvement because it needs to highlight obviously the one that you're dropping the texture onto at the moment, but that's a quick and easy way now of changing the textures in your game world without having to go through all the old menus.